How can I improve my import-export business? Whether you are running an import-export business or a construction business or real estate, a steady cash flow is very important to make your business thriving. But unfortunately, all the business owners are not packed with ready cash funds to do their business. Some business owners require loan support or trade finance services to improve and expand their business. To help those needy business owners, many trade finance providers are out there, and we are the one among them. What we will do is, we provide trade finance facilities such as letter of credit, standby letter of credit, bank guarantees, and bank comfort letter. This can help you to conclude more business deals without worrying about cash flow issues. Want to know how to get trade finance without collateral? Talk with our trade finance experts today. Contact us. Email us, support@bwtradefinance.com. Call us, 971-455-19699. Phone or WhatsApp or bottom, 9715046487661. Visit www.bwtradefinance.com.